In this part, we are going to talk about what is the use of CSS and the syntax of CSS. And CSS is a collection of rules and this used to define the styles of a web page. For example, you can see this web page, and if we turn off the CSS, we disable it, and you can see the website is very boring, and the layout is uncontrollable. So you just see a list of the names without any styles, and this is a boring website. So if we turn on the styles, you can see it is much more beautiful. And now we are going to talk about the syntax, and we use the selector to select the HTML element by using the tag name, ID, or classes, and then we use the decoration to style the element. And this is an example of how we use the CSS, and we write this, and this is the target. Sometimes this is a class, sometimes this is a ID, and sometimes this is a tag name, and we will talk about it later. And then we use the decoration to style the element. So the whole sentence is the decorations, and the left side, this is the property, and the right side is the value. And we can take a look on these simple examples. And we have a simple HTML page, and then we create a header with the ID, and then we type some text inside the header, and then we add a paragraph with the L'Oreal Ipsum text. Now if we turn on the page, and you can see the headers and also the paragraph. So now we want to add the style, so under the headers we add a style, and then inside the style element we want to target the ID of my name. So we will type something like this, and then we type the font size is 400 pixels. So now you can see the headers is much larger, and then we add the background colors of blue, and the text color is white. Now you can see the world. You can see this word, and the background is blue and the font color is white. Now we want to target the paragraph, so we type P because the element of paragraph is P, so we just type P, and then we have the font size of 100 pixels, and then we add the background colors of light blue. Now we also want to strike off the initial margin. So now you can see we already styled a simple page with the headers that we specify the name of my name, and also we target the paragraph element with using the P tag.